Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE clarifies roll number not found issue, says over 1.6 lakh students submitted re-evaluation requests for 3.8 lakh answer books as post-result portal operated seamlessly under continuous cyber security monitoring. Supreme Court seeks CBSE response over delay in declaring Class 12 improvement exam result of Saudi Arabia-based student. Board directed to present solution by 12 June and explain non-declaration under Special Assessment Scheme for Gulf candidates affected by cancellation of 2026 board exams amid West Asia conflict. Delhi High Court issues notice to CBSE and Centre on NSUI plea alleging irregularities in on-screen marking system. Petition seeks manual rechecking and physical verification of answer sheets, hearing scheduled for 12 June. CBSE to close CTET September 2026 application window on 10 June. Teacher eligibility test scheduled for 6 September across 132 cities. Exam centers to be allotted randomly without city selection option. Result likely by October end. NEET UG 2026 retest to be conducted under unprecedented security cover as Indian Air Force airlifts question papers to 18 locations. Paper setters, moderators and translators kept in strict isolation at undisclosed facility following cancellation of original exam over alleged paper leak and ongoing CBI probe. CBSE issues circular ahead of Independence Day 2026, asking schools to encourage student participation in Defence Ministry's MyGov and My Bharat competitions. Essay contest on role of AI in building Viksit Bharat by 2047. Painting contest on India 1947 versus India 2047 and national quizzes on Constitution, Freedom Movement, Space and Nuclear achievements announced, with 15,000 rupee cash prizes for top winners and Red Fort Independence Day ceremony invitations for 200 participants. CBSE directs affiliated schools to strengthen cyber safety education through Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center-led national campaign, recommends cyber hygiene certification, parent safety pledge, cyber clubs, awareness materials and monthly Cyber Jagrukta Divas activities amid rising cases of cyberbullying, online grooming, identity theft and financial fraud targeting children. Maratha organizations announce Jan Akrosh Andolan at Mumbai's Azad Maidan against NCERT textbook revisions, alleging reduced references to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Maratha Empire, demand restoration of historical content, maps and fair representation in school curriculum. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.